Guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 8 things you can do to earn dollars while you're in Nigeria or in any other African country. If you want to hear all of these 8 things that you can do while living in Africa to earn money in dollars, please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button just right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. The first thing you can do to earn money in dollars while you're living on the continent of Africa is starting a YouTube channel. So guys, in case you all don't know, if you are a YouTube creator and you have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and you've gotten to the required watch hours of, I think it's 10,000 watch hours or 20,000 watch hours, YouTube then allows you get into the YouTube partner program, and you are being paid per views. Like though the amount of money you get paid for, like say 1,000 views, is not so much. So over time, like the more views you get on YouTube, the more money you'll be paid on YouTube. But for you to receive your first payment off of YouTube, you need to make at least $100 for YouTube to pay you that $100. When you have YouTube, when your channel is already monetized on YouTube and getting lots of views, you'll be able to earn money off of your YouTube videos. So starting a YouTube channel is something that you should consider doing to be able to earn foreign currency while you are in Nigeria. And this currency can be paid into your domiciliary account if you have a domiciliary account while you are in Nigeria. Second thing you can do to earn money in dollars while you are in Nigeria is to have your ebook, or sell your book on Amazon, or just sell products on Amazon. So guys, yes, this is actually a big thing, because people make lots of money off of selling either their books or physical products, and the book could actually be an ebook. People make lots of money off of selling books on Amazon, or even selling products on Amazon. So if you can find a product that people would actually demand for, you can put that product on Amazon, find a way to get the manufacturer of the product, ship the product to the Amazon fulfillment center, and then you make money off of that unique products that you have. Or if it's a book, let's say you're somebody who is known and you're able to push people that are probably like your subscribers on YouTube, or people or your fans, to go and purchase this particular book you've written from Amazon, then you definitely be earning in dollars. Third way to earn money in dollars while you're living in Africa is to start teaching a course. You can choose to teach a course on various international platforms that tend to have opportunities for teachers, such as Udemy, edX. I think there are Coursera. There are lots of platforms that allow teachers to come on board, or even just consultants or professionals in various areas to come on board and teach various courses. So this is actually another way for you to earn money in dollars while you are on the continent of Africa. So there's a fourth way to earn dollars while you're living in Nigeria or living on the African continent, is to work as a consultant in a multinational. Yes, there are companies that actually pay their employees, but not all of their employees, or even some of their employees, in dollars. So if you have a high value, let's say, skill, or you just have a profession that these companies tend to value, like let's say you're an engineer, or you are a technical person, like a technical director, or you have experience working as an operations director, you can look out for organizations like this and hopefully get on their employment list as a consultant, as a contractor, as a contract employee, and choose your terms that you want to be paid in dollars. And that's definitely a good way for you to also earn money in dollars while you're living on the African continent. The fifth way to earn money in dollars while you're living in Africa is to start a blog. Yes, in case you don't know, Google Ads tends to pay blog owners in dollars. If you have a blog that you probably write about, let's say childcare, or you probably just write about gossip like the Stella Dimukokoro blogs, or the Linda Ikeji blog, or you probably just write about maybe female things like hair, makeup. Linda is in Middle East of Nigeria, but sadly I don't have a blog. All I have is a YouTube channel. If you can have a blog You can write about various stuff. Let's say it's even a cooking blog like CCME. Yes, CCME is really big. Or even delicious. Yeah, if you have a blog, you can actually push traffic to your blog, and people, some companies, or even some company are able, some company would actually choose to place ads on your blog, and they will be paying you for these ads that are actually on your blog. So having a blog, starting a blog is something you should consider. Even for myself, I think I should actually consider starting up a blog. Maybe I might close down one part of my business. Maybe I might close the makeup part of my business and just focus on hair, YouTube, and then also my blog. I think that is what I would do. I definitely should start a blog in 2022. It's not too late to start a blog. You guys think I should start a blog? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, the sixth way to earn in dollars is to become a freelancer. Yes, you could choose to render services to people abroad. You could choose to work as, let's say, a video editor. You can choose to work as a photo editor. Render your service on platforms like AdWork, People Per Hour. People are looking for virtual assistant. People are looking for all sorts of skills that you might have, and you're sitting down in your house then in Cameroon or in Ghana or in Nigeria with that skill. Meanwhile, you can go on these platforms and look out for people who are looking for skills that you have, and they would pay you in dollars for you working for them. Because if you look at these platforms where they advertise these jobs that you can work from the comfort of your home, they will actually pay you in dollars. So go out there, sell your skills, and earn money in dollars as a freelancer, working as a virtual assistant, as a photo editor, as a video editor. Just go out there, put yourself out there. The eighth and final way to earn money in dollars while you're living on the African continent is to trade Forex. Yeah, I know you guys have been hearing about Forex trading for years. You probably just think it's probably one scam thing, but really, people do earn lots of money from trading Forex, Forex trading on the African continent. So if it's something you're interested in, you can search on YouTube for people who will teach you how to trade, do the whole Forex trading thing, and you hopefully will be able to start earning money in dollars from trading in Forex. So guys, I hope you got value from all of these 8 points which I mentioned, in which you can use to earn money in dollars. You can earn dollars while you're in Nigeria, or even in any other country on the African continent. If you got value out of this video, please make sure you share this video with your loved one who would get value out of it. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also support me by giving the video a thumbs up, so that the YouTube is able to push this video to other people who would actually get value out of it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you. Remember, be bold, have courage, put yourself out there, because if you're not willing to put yourself out there, you'll be able to find the opportunities that are actually out there for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye guys.